Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a funnel chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a funnel chart on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. First of all, select the points that you just need to insert as a funnel chart. So just go inside the insert option and just choose the chart option first. Then you just need to swipe to the bottom section and you can find an option called funnel. Click on this, and here you will find a only single chart. Click on this chart. So it's look like a funnel, so it's named as funnel chart. So you can just click on the chart, so it will show the chart options, and here you just need to click on the layout option. So you can just change the different type of layouts if you just need it like this. And also you can just change the color option if you just need it. So there's a lot of different colors all given here. For an example, if you're just choosing the color option, you can have a lot of different colors with things. And also if you just need to change the shade of the chart, you can have this shade. So it have a different shades, a lot of shades out here. You can just choose any one of the shade to keep your chart correctly have the look on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Unique. Have a wonderful day.